This is a simple interest problem. The simple interest formula is I equals P times R times T, where P is the principal, which is the initial amount of money. R is the interest rate. Usually we're talking about an annual interest rate. T is time in years, and I is the amount of interest. In this problem, we have two investments. One, let's call it X. The other one is Y. We don't know how much each one is, but we know they add up to be $20,000. So that will be our first equation. For the interest rate, we know one is 7%, which is 0.07. The other one is 9%, which is 0.09. Okay, time, they're both 1 years, so 1 and 1. So based on the formula, I equals P times R times T. The interest for the first investment will be 0.07 times X times 1, which is 0.07X. The interest for the second investment will be 0.09Y. And we know the total interest earned is $1,550, which is the sum of the two interests. Okay, now let's write down the two equations. One comes from this column, which is X plus Y equals 20,000. The second equation coming from this column, 0.07X plus 0.09Y equals 1,550. So now that we have a system of equations, we can solve for X and solve for Y. I'm going to solve the system by addition. First, I'm going to multiply the first equation by negative 0.07, so that I will have negative 0.07x minus, don't forget you have to distribute, minus 0.07y equals negative, what is this, 14, that's 2 times 7, then followed by 4 zeros and two decimal places, so 1,400. Okay, so we'll call this equation 3. So let's add up equation 2 and equation 3. So that the x terms will be gone. You have 0.02y equals 150. Divide both sides by 0.02. Y equals 7,500. And solve for x, plug it into the first equation. That will give me x plus 7,500 equals 20,000. Subtract 7,500 on both sides. Yep, x equals 12,500. So we invested 12,500 in one account and 7,500 into the other account.